Oh my goodness, you look so nice.
Oh, thank you, honey. You're so sweet.
Oh, you're welcome. Comment, like, share, subscribe, and don't forget to hit that bell. That bell. One thing I love to do is compliment. Now, may be surprising for some people to hear because people think, oh, I'm mean and yurda. Cool, whatever. But honestly, I love to compliment people because I think if someone took the time out to look good, why not tell them? Why not? And listen, you never know what someone can be going through. So why not make their day? Like literally, when I'm at work, I have no problem telling people that they look great and they look amazing. And I'm always told that like I made their day. They're like, oh my goodness, thank you so much. You don't understand how much that made my day. And I'm like, oh, thank you, stop. Like I really get all sad and emotional. Like me? Little on me, like my simple little compliment just made your day. Like, and to me, it's nothing because I'm like, if you look good, I'm gonna tell you. I always tell people if I like it, I'm gonna tell you. If your nails look good, I'm gonna tell you. If your hair looks good, I'm gonna tell you. If you are slurred and dressed, I am going to tell you because why not? You know, I was in Wawa one day and I told this girl that I was like, you know, I love your tattoos and your nails are amazing. And then like afterwards, I was like, oops, I'm so sorry. She's like, no. Like, I love that. Like, thank you so much for complimenting me. If y'all saw spit, I'm sorry. She was like, thank you so much for complimenting me because, you know, people are so quick to say nasty things to you instead of saying nice things. And it's true. Like, me personally, I'm literally working on, if I don't have anything nice to say, I really don't say anything to people. Like, I don't go out of my way to be nasty to people because it does not serve me any purpose. And I don't understand how people are so quick to say nasty things to people. Like, what? Like, what made you even want to say that? Like, I don't get it. I don't take the time out to say nasty or mean things to people. If you're mean and nasty to me, that's a whole nother you disrespect me, I get disrespectful. But I think we should do a better job when it comes to complimenting people. Because I think it's sad that I get thanked so much because, well, not sad, but it's like the reactions I get from people when I tell them they look nice. A lot of the times when I tell people they look nice, they're like, what? It's like, why are you shocked about getting a compliment? I will say though, I can't stand rude people. I can't stand rude people because a lot of the times I will compliment people and they're like, okay. Like, that's rude. Like, my thing is, if someone compliments you and you feel as though you don't know what to say, the best thing to say is thank you. Like, there would be so many times I compliment people, they're like, okay, once somebody gets like ugh with me after I compliment them, I get dry. Like, ugh. I wish I could just take my compliment back. No, not really, because I mean, I did like it anyway, but ew. Ew. But anyway, we should do better when it comes to complimenting people. We shouldn't be afraid to tell someone if we like something. Because like I said, you don't know whose day you could be making, honestly. Like, I love the fact that when I compliment people, people tell me that I made their day. Because it's not my intentions. When I compliment people, I think you should know that you look good. You put time in into looking good, so why shouldn't I tell you? So, you know, guys, let's compliment each other more. Like, we're all living during hard times, even though, you know, COVID's like letting up a little bit, but let's still be nice. Like, why is it so hard to be nice to each other? I don't know. Maybe because I don't mind being nice and complimenting people and I mind my business. But guys, thank you so much for watching. If you like what you see, like what you hear, comment, like, share, and subscribe. Hey, until next time. Until next time. Oh, and don't forget to hit that bell. The bell. That what? Hit that bell. That bell, so you can get my notifications. Guys, guess what? It's Friday. Happy Friday. Fuck it up. It's Friday. Happy Friday. Guys, thank you so much for watching. Mwah, mwah, mwah. Until next time, and make sure you compliment somebody. Bye, guys. Mwah.